If you are as passionate about drawing as I am, you know the importance of having the right tools and want to try Procreate in iPad. I would like to share with you today what you should consider before investing in an iPad and why I choose the newest iPad 12.9-inch with the M2 chip. It's better to choose the current iPad models than the old generations because it works faster, more efficiently, and with better precision. Then here are your choices. I want to do a one-time investment, so I go to M2 chip because the M2 is 15% faster than the M1, 35% faster graphics performance, and it's possible to design complex 3D objects and create videos in ProRes format. Then here are the choice. Moreover, I try working on both 11-inch and 12.9-inch. The bigger the canvas, the easier it is for you to draw. Then there's a choice. And for saving money, I bought the iPad Pro with 128 GB because we can connect an external hard drive, and I will show you how on next Wednesday.